Welcome, everything is in ASUS ZenPad 10, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's go into the settings. So we can swipe up and go to System Settings. And from here scroll down to Backup and Reset, and then tap on Factory Data Reset. Now it will give you a message that performing this will remove your account, system app data and settings, and downloaded apps. Now it removes a little bit more, things like photos, videos, downloaded stuff, documents that you might be keeping on it. Basically clears all the data past the setup from the device. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise it will be lost permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Reset Device. If you have some kind of protection, PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do. And then reset, we need to type in some kind of randomly generated number. So for me it's 7136, not sure why though. Erase everything, and as you can see now the process will begin. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.